In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And go back by clicking on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pen it, use this pen at the top right corner, select your text and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to get rid of it, tap on the pen, select your sentence and use bin icon right next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard again, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!